Hey my faves, welcome back to a brand new video. If you are new here, my name is Sonke Sekunda, and if you are a returning subby, welcome back my love, welcome back Stando Sam. If you are not yet subscribed, if you are still seeing the subscribe button, please click on it right now so that you can see subscribed. For those of y'all that are returning and are still watching, guys, thank you guys so much. As I always say, it's very disheartening when you're posting and you're consistent and people are not watching. But yeah, once again, I always have to remind myself that I am doing this for my own memories. Like whenever, for example, the people in my life like watch a vlog maybe like a year later, because now we've been doing this vlogging thing for a year and whatnot, they're always like, oh, now I want to go home, now I want to come see you guys, you know. So I think it's doing good where it's doing good, but yeah, it is very disheartening when you guys aren't watching and stuff. But yeah, let me not vent, but guys, please watch, please like, please subscribe, like watch the entire video. Yeah, as I said, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, if you don't like it though, give it a huge thumbs up. And then don't forget to engage with me in the comment section below and comment and like tell me what you like, what you don't like, what am I doing wrong, why are you guys not watching, why are you guys not engaging, what am I doing wrong. And also don't forget to share this video and the channel all together with your loved ones. Yeah, as you guys will probably see, I am crusty. It is the 16th of December today, a Monday. I'm about to take a shower. Then we're driving to the Eastern Cape today, so I'm gonna take you guys with me on a mini vlog because we're not doing much. We're just visiting Abantu Badala, like family and stuff that stays that side. So I'm gonna be there for a couple of days. Mind you, baby girl on team usasebenza noma zamani ngiyosebenza ezintabeni mana ndithi intaba because network, but I'm hoping that izawubamba because MTN is not too bad. But yeah, come with us to the Eastern Cape. Oh, at least lapho milanga yabona. I was worried about this weather because it's really not nice like traveling to the Eastern Cape when it's raining, guys. But y'all come with us to the Eastern Cape. Okay guys, as I was saying, we're just gonna get a couple of stuff then head out. But yeah, really hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys in the vlog.
In my village, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. This time around, fuck, I wanted to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Oh, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to check.
Oh, shady this spot.
I wanna let you know.
Don't
wonder no more what I think about you.
Are they in season?
You should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, then come and take a walk with me, with me. Cause everything that you need, I got it right here, baby, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down, be that one to share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams, cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. Baby, come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right
Like,
So just call me whenever you're
it's like my sauce. The sauce is very little.
I'll be a friend, I could be your homie. You should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. Share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Oh, if it's something that you want, you should make me your girl. Make me your girl, baby. If it's something that you need, baby, come and share my world. I got what you need, so come share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. You should make me your girl. Your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. Share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Let me take a walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. What I think about you, boy. I got what you need, so come share my world.
Song.
What's his name?
Yeah.
If you leave this time, I fear that you'll be gone for good. So I hold on like leaves and fall to what is left. Said a father left a young man. He said he'll be back with that same tone that you just said you'll stay forever with. You see that every autumn leaves are falling. I feel like you're the only reason for it. You see that every autumn leaves are falling. I feel like you're the only reason for it.
Hey, enjoy. It's nice, ne? Nando go to Velunivian. The way you're eating it, I can tell you're not a meat lover, though. You must hold it. Oh yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Do you like it? Do you want it? Mama babantwana ngaba balungisa umthi. Worse than worse. Oh, this tree looks even smaller on camera. It's like tiny. It's tiny. It's giving Christmas. Santa Claus is coming to town. Zipina. It looks nice in this light, hey? But near the top, near na emotion is does. Copy those viruses comes does donations for a bigger tree. We must open a GoFundMe for a bigger tree. Sanmonani, Tumilani, Apsheni, hello. Maleni guys. It's a Friday. It's extremely hot outside, so I thought let me quickly update you guys before I head out. Yeah, we're about to head to the beach now with the babies. Just a short-lived beach day because we did not plan it. It's very impromptu, so yeah, we are headed out there. I guys Blondie. Come say hi, Blondie. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. She's blonde, so she's feeling herself. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Probably gonna go out later with my sisters for some sundowners. Cause what? Sun's up, sun's out. Yeah, so we'll probably go for some sundowners later. What? Nothing. And then tomorrow, my sister and I probably gonna go to Oribi Gorge. So I'll be taking you guys with me. And that's probably what we're going to be doing for the rest of the vlog. It's probably going to be an extremely short vlog, but yeah, let us go. And once again, the defending of the brave left a lot to be desired. Yeah. We go. Hi, blondes. Hi, Anton. There's a non pizza. Helen. Say hello. Hello. I was standing in hey guys.
What's up, y'all?
Not what's up. Ebenge bluke ngalami ndifika. Uyijongile camera uzawuvela ke kwethu vlog yam. Guys, ice cream yethu shade. Eyamngalo ke yachithe. Ukhona omnye futhi apha St Michael's osithengisele ice cream. We're so shady. Cheers. Saba no McDonald's nathi saphuma ezintweni. I convinced my sister to wake up. See what hiking? Look at the mist behind me. Look at the mist behind me. We're going hiking. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm about to be in my zone. Yeah, let's go hiking, guys. It's a nice soil. Yeah, Pilas is Oh, I think this is a bathroom. Yeah, toilet. And the additional parking lane. It looks scary lonely love. Paintball. Next time, let's just wait for them. I'll say understand. Yo, bridge now mostly. It's already beating fast. Can't be possible that you will believe. Nanti amenye indawo for. Yo. 6 people maximum, no jumping. Part of me wants to leave you alone. I really want to cross, guys, but my fear for heights is not allowing. This is the best y'all can get. Plus it's raining. Awa. Angezi. It's all the rock. Yaboba konje pathway. But uzahamba papa xa kunetha.
Hayi bokuyanetha.
Xa unganethi kanti Oksalayo made it to the other side one way or another. I think this is the zip line actually. This side.
The one that you want to
Then it's Dibana. Lena is suspension bridge. Then this is the zip line. Yo. Hi, ngeke guys. Abantu banesibindi. Yo straight zip line le. Akubonani kwanto. I shame the weather.
That's more the weather, that's why.
Ayivumanga. I don't see an boring. Where does it end? Looks like the path is still going downwards. Oh, Nalia. I think I should believe. You literally can't see anything.
That's nothing, son.
Sozen. Oh, it's actually never. I never, shame.
Hi guys.
Never.
Imbambile la nto yalalela ehlanga.
Usazawufakwa entanjeni.
I could never.
Don't really look this. Thank you. Unine hleli. Jonga nankomnye nyuku. Yo.
Ngabuya sendifile.
Yo. Iphinde inyuka slow kanje. Hayi ndingafa nami mntazi.
Ngabuya sendiphe dead.
Deadest. Hayini guys, bazamsusa njani?
Uzojump.
Animazi akazujampa, animazi uhlalele kula ndawo. Akoyiko, utheni ngathi ajampe nalowa. Ndifuna umkhetha on camera nje. Ode kubuya inkungu jampa. Yoyiko ujonga abanye phezulu.
Ayinsayoyiki nala ndawo bame kuyo.
Bruh. For me, looking down there is what would actually make me fall.
My thing is,
No way. 100 meters to go. Why not? Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. We made it. Why was that in Kunga? We made it. We made it. I can't believe ubhatala entrance fee ukuza ngapha. Yasibhanxa yazi.